Hello champ, welcome to today's maths class. Today we're going to learn about long division, a super useful math skill. At the end of this class, you would be able to carry out long division processes both for numbers with remainder and without remainder. 2. You'll be familiar with terminologies that involves long division. 3. You'll be able to apply the systematic process for long division. Without further ado, let's get right into today's class. First, let's get familiar with a few key terms. If I'm asked to divide 357 by 21, the dividend is the number that is being divided. It's a number inside the division symbol. The divisor is the number dividing it. It is outside the division symbol. The quotient is the answer to the division problem. It sits on the top of the division symbol. And lastly, the remainder is the number left over when one number can't be divided evenly into another. Now, looking at the long division process, what are the steps involved? So when I'm asked to divide 357 by 21, the first thing I would do is divide. Look at the first digit of the dividend, 3. Can you divide 3 by 21? The answer is no. So, look at the first two digits, 35. How many times does 21 go into 35? Only once. So, I write 1 on the top of the 5. Step 2, multiply. Now, multiply the number you just wrote, 1, by the divisor, 21. So 1 times 21 would give me 21. We write the 21 right below the 35. Step 3, subtract. So when we subtract 21 from 35, that would give us 14. We write 14 below the line. Step 4, bring down. You bring down the next digit from the dividend, 7, and place it next to the 14. Now we have 147. We repeat the step. How many times would 21 go into 147? The answer is 7. So I write 7 on top. 7 times 21, that would give me 147. When I subtract, I get 0. The answer or quotient is 17. To confirm if your answer is right, it's easy. Just multiply the quotient by the divisor. The result should be the same as the dividend. In our example, 17 times 21 would give 357. It works, right? Now let's take an example of long division with remainder. Sometimes a number doesn't divide perfectly. That's when you have a remainder. The process is the same. Let's try dividing 461 by 37. Following the step, divide, multiply, subtract, then bring down. We'll find that 37 goes into 46 one time. 1 times 37, I have 37. When I subtract, I get 9. Then I'll bring down 1. 37 in 91 would give me 2. 2 times 37, I get 74. And when I subtract, I'm left with 17. So the answer is 12 with remainder of 17. That's all there is to it. With a little practice, you can be a pro in division. Now let's take one more example with long division. Remember, just follow the steps. So if I'm asked to do 608 divided by 19, 19 will go in 60 three times. 3 times 19 would give me 57. When I subtract, I get 3. So the next step is I bring down my 8. 19 would go in 38 2 times. 2 times 19 would give me 38. And when I subtract, I get 0. So my answer, or the dividend, is 32. Well done. Now, let's practice. Carry out this long division to see if you can do it correctly. You have 2 minutes to do this, and your time starts now. Well done. Now, let's practice finding the remainder. Carry out this long division to find out the remainder. You have 2 minutes to do this, and your time starts now. Wow, it's time up. Now, let's see if you got it correctly. The long division, the answers are 73 and 58. You got that correctly. Well done. You've done really, really well. Now let's look at the solution to finding the remainder. Wow. If you got that correctly, big kudos to you. You have done really, really well. Today we've learned how to carry out long division and finding the remainder using 4 simple steps, which are divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Don't forget to practice, and I'll see you in the next class.